We all know pipe floats or PE floaters shear is made from high wear-resistant PE material with excellent flexibility, filled inside with polyurethane closed-seal foam. Meanwhile, to assure long-time life outside, a UV stabilizer must be added while manufacturing, which ensures the pipe floats have a good UV stabilization. Nanjing Deers Pipe Floats are designed to HDPE pipe or steel pipe, and it can provide sufficient buoyancy. Our pipe floats are composed by two halves. The inside diameter of pipe floats will be same or slightly smaller to HDPE or steel dredge pipe's outer diameter. So, the pipe floats can be fixed via bolts and nuts tightly on the HDPE or steel dredge pipe, or the hoses without slipping. Two halves of pipe floats are connected by bolts or nuts that are made by galvanized steel-grade material. Thanks for the excellent structure, Nanjing Deers Pipe Floats can absorb or reduce the energy from vessel collision and protect the dredge pipelines that they are supporting. The pipe floats or floaters have become the ideal solution and a necessity for modern dredging work.